Hey, so if your Dropbox is not syncing on Windows 11, yeah, like files are stuck, not uploading, or changes just won't update, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a full fix step by step. First, make sure your internet is actually working properly. I mean, Dropbox needs a stable connection to sync files. Next, check if Dropbox itself is having issues. Yeah, sometimes the problem isn't your PC, it's their servers. Now, restart the Dropbox app. Right-click the icon in the system tray and quit it, then open it again. If that doesn't work, yeah, try signing out and signing back in. This forces a fresh sync connection. Now, check your sync settings. Make sure selective sync or paused sync isn't turned on by mistake. Also, yeah, check your storage. If your Dropbox or hard drive is full, syncing will stop completely. Sometimes antivirus or firewall settings block syncing. Try disabling them briefly to test if that's the issue. Make sure your Dropbox app is updated. Yeah, old versions can cause syncing bugs on Windows 11. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Dropbox. This resets everything and usually fixes stubborn sync issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox not syncing on Windows 11. Usually it's connection issues, settings, or a stuck app. Try these steps and your files should sync normally again. Thanks for watching.